Alright, people. This is Nebmorpheus signing back in for another YouTube video. Alright, guys, here's video number 2 of Linux Terminal Kung Fu. It's kind of rhymed in the guys. Alright, this is the video number 2 with Linux Terminal Kung Fu. Alright, guys, I just want to play around a little bit with the terminal here this morning, and I'm trying to get a little bit of this in every day. So I'm surfing around on the web and I found this video, this particular article by How to Geek. Okay, How to Geek was, you know what I'm saying, was elaborating on how to create secure passwords, because nowadays with the complexity and so many people become geek aware nowadays, you need to create multiple passwords and have them what I can say far as the complexity and strength of the password, okay? But with the terminal, what's so beautiful about the terminal, it comes in with so many different random functions that I'm just being real, guys. There's just so many different uh avenues that you can take when you create a random password, and these are all dealing with the command line. So I've been researching. That's one of my strengths that I have, that I can research things and I know how to find just about anything on the web. Well, basically the planet. So like I say, here we go, guys. I'm just gonna copy and paste a few of them right here. And he said this method uses SHA to hash the date, runs through a base 64, runs through base 64. And let me go up because I don't want to mess up my video. Runs through base 64 and then outputs to 32 characters. All right, here it is. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it. Because like I say, man, the more you know, man, as a former friend once told me, and as you see, it created a extremely long password. See there? And if I actually hit enter again, so I'm going to put all this in the links in the description box, guys. And I want to tell you that this morning that, like I said, I'm gonna have a Facebook, Twitter, the whole deal. So follow me on Twitter and follow me on Facebook once I get those set up. All right, here we go. Here's another one. He said this method used the built-in /dev/urandom feature. It filters out only characters will be normally using the password. Then it drops it to 32 characters. All right. No, like I said, I know a lot of you guys may be beginners with Linux. I just want to show you some of the powerful things with Linux. See there, it just outputted another 32 character password. And I love encryption, man. I've been trying to learn a little bit every day. I should have been learning this like 10 years ago. I should have been learning it maybe 20 years ago. But it just started catching up with me, guys. So, all right, here we go. Here's another one. It goes through the OpenSSL. A lot of people don't know what OpenSSL is. Open Secure Socket Layer. And it sends it through a random function with the base 64 and output to 32 characters. Okay. And as you see, every time I change this, every time I change it, what it's going to do, guys, is going to create a whole new random seed. See? Every time okay, yes it did. It did. So you want to create secure passwords, you can use the Linux terminal. Okay? Let's try a couple of more here. I'm going to put the link to the description to this article. Yeah, I'm going to put the links in the description of this article in the description box. I know a lot of you guys on your smartphones. I know a lot of guys are watching web TVs now. So, see, you can create random passwords all day long. The TR command, I just discovered the TR command maybe like a couple days ago. because I've been wanting to know how to, like, when I'm doing something from the terminal, I can create a random hash or a password and pad that joke up, man. The files of hell couldn't crack it. So, all right, okay. Here's another one. He said, here's another example that filters uses the strings command, which outputs from a file, which is cases urandom feature. There's so many different ways you can create a password in terminal, guys. Like I say, the terminal is your friend. It's a billion things you can do in the terminal. And don't forget echo as well. Because usually you're going to have to echo something. So I can echo hello world. Y'all bear with me. Hope I'm doing this right. Hopefully. Yeah, I did it right. And there's so many different things. You can create a password for a file using the echo command. Okay. They got different, like I say, I'm gonna be going through here and showing you guys. I'm gonna put the links in the description to this article. Here's another one. Here's a simpler version of the urandom. Okay. I'm gonna copy it, then I'm gonna paste it. So it created something funky there. Then there's another one called the DD command. Okay. Boom. You see that? So many different ways you can create a password nowadays. But the thing is, what will be something real cool, and anybody can take this idea and run with it, is that come up with a fingerprint system that creates a random password. That'll be sweet. That'll be sweet. And then you create a random left-hand password. Okay. There's so many ways, guys. So many ways that you can create a password. So many ways. And right now, okay, yeah, that's the one I'm doing with the left-hand password. Like I say, man, the Linux command line, you can pad some stuff up, buddy. You see right there? There's the password. Okay. And new methods of secure authentication are being developed on a daily basis. So like I say, you come up with something new, you can do it from the terminal. All right, let's try this one. All these examples, guys, should be in the in the article. It's a howtogeek.com article. Me doing some okay. I think this particular this particular path is where I'll probably find that password. But like I say, once you finish this Linux course, you should be able to I'm sorry guys, I'm reading. Once you be able to well, I can say quote unquote finish this course, you should be able to go through there and learn. And that right there creates a hash or else a MD5 signature. Alright guys, this is NetMorpheus signing out for another Linux Terminal Kung Fu video. This is video number 2. So I'm going to be uploading. I'm going to take down that first video because people telling me they can't hear it. So I'm just going to do straight up audio. Let's see how we can do that one. And I'm gonna start off with basic commands, and hopefully in the next video. This is just some Linux terminal kung fu, just explaining the powers of the Linux terminal. And Windows has the command prompt, so it's just as good. You know, it's a number of things. Most of the awesome hacker utilities out there like Metasploit and Nmap and all kind of other stuff, man, that you can use to hack into different networks or just create a secure passworded file. You know, just a lot of different things you can do, guys. All right, peoples, Netmorph is signing out for another Linux Terminal Kung Fu video. Thank you and subscribe. Peace.